I thought you'd appreciate seeing how I use this brush is a Rosemary Ultimate Long Flat size 8. And I love this brush. It's great for so many different techniques, and I love bristle brushes overall. It's my primary favorite brush. So with this, you can see how I can use either the flat side or just the corner there on the edge to make all kinds of different shapes. And I like to load up my brush by pushing it forward in the paint and then twisting the brush as I go to use up the different paint that's on there. And one of the things that I love about these bristle brushes is that I don't have to clean them constantly. If I want to change out my color, as long as the value isn't significantly different and the color temperature isn't a huge difference, I can keep using that same brush through much of the painting process. So you can see here I'm going from a peach color to a more grayed greenish blue color to now the yellows for these sunflowers. And as you can see, when I slow it down here, this gives you an idea of, as much as you can, seeing the kind of pressure I'm using, the way that I twist and turn the brush, just a little bit more the technique I use when I'm using this bristle brush. With bristles, I can do so many different things, and I love the flats because I can use it either as a flat to get that real wide type of brush texture or brush stroke, or I can use just the corner of it, or I can use the edge of it, or the side edge, or the flat edge, or just the thin edge on it. They can get such a real fine thin edge that I can use that to make little thin branches. There's so many different things I can do with a flat brush like that, especially a bristle brush. And I love bristle brushes because I like paint texture, and I can get lots of paint texture in there with this type of brush. So experiment. Try out different brushes, grab some bristles, and see what kind of fun and interesting shapes and brush textures you can make with it. Happy painting!